single instruction, you are all capable of doing it. And this is not for us, but this is for the Lord. So we need to do our best.
If the bell or if the leaders of yours will call for a meeting or something that we need to accomplish that day, please obey your leaders. For them not to cry.
Sing matingala mo guys nga ako nagbitbit ko ani nga bag niya ako ang Loven ni. Dahil si Loven oh. Madto na siya Cambodia guys. Di na gid mapugngan. Madto na gid siya Cambodia. Hi. Dire mo?
Both side, teach and din.
New journey na pud ni Pastor Loven guys. Kanang mag-create na pud og ihang istorya dito sa dapit sa Cambodia. I-pray na to mga batanon ang ihang journey.
So extend, right? Extend?
Yeah, extend.
Yeah. So finally
Second
second extend. So he proceed visa, finally he get the visa and then now he gonna fly.
Amen.
Kuya, grab yan, kuya.
Fighting po.
I want to begin by saying thank you so much, Father, for your going to fulfill and answer our prayer this morning.
Salamat kay Ginoo anahan nga naka
Who do not brought their uniforms?
Enjoy nila eh.
Pangit-kit. Kung inahinag, kit-kit na na.
Enjoy nila. Enjoy guys sila. Happy kayong everyone. Ron sa TVK, hi to the camera. Si Milvin oh. Hello Milvin. Milvin. Sila oh. Dazig, Izo on Dazig.